Let's look at a sentence that needs a little apostrophe help. My siblings' temperaments vary greatly, with my sister being the most calm, chill personality of us all. We're going to use our ACT apostrophe checklist to fix this. Step 1. Is this a contraction or possession? Let's look at the two words with apostrophes: siblings and temperaments. Neither of these are contractions. They're both trying to show possession, so we're dealing with possessive apostrophes. Step 2. What is possessing what? The sentence is talking about the temperaments that belong to my siblings. So siblings is the owner, and temperaments is what they own. But right now, siblings is written as if you have only one sibling. That's singular possessive. We need to show that multiple siblings have different temperaments. That means we need to make siblings plural and possessive. To do that, we add an S to make it plural. Then put the apostrophe after the S to make it possessive. So siblings become siblings. Next, look at temperaments. This word shouldn't have an apostrophe at all. It's just a plural noun, not showing ownership. The correct version is temperaments, no apostrophe. Now, let's read the fixed sentence. My siblings' temperaments vary greatly, with my sister being the most calm, chill personality of us all. Let's recap. Siblings is plural and possessive, so it needs an apostrophe after the S at the end, and temperaments is just plural and does not need an apostrophe. That's how you apply the ACT apostrophe rules to get it right. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.